Hey folks, today, we're diving into a massive political showdown that's got everyone talking. Washington State Attorney General Nick Brown, along with 20 other Democratic State Attorneys General, is taking on President Trump's latest executive order. You might be wondering, what's this all about? Well, buckle up because it's a wild ride. So here's the scoop. On March 20th, Trump signed an executive order that aims to completely dismantle the Department of Education. Yeah, you heard that right. The plan includes transferring key services like student loans and special education to other agencies like the Small Business Administration. I mean, can you imagine the SBA handling student loans? Crazy, right? But wait, there's more. The Coalition of State Attorneys General has filed a lawsuit to block this executive order. They're seeking a preliminary injunction, which is legal speak for a temporary halt, to stop the order from taking effect. They argue that only Congress has the authority to dismantle the Department of Education, not the president. Plus, they're saying the layoffs already happening because of this order are illegal under the Administrative Procedures Act. It's a bold move, and it's causing quite the stir. Now let's talk about those layoffs. The executive order has already resulted in the closure of the Office of Civil Rights Outreach Services nationwide. This means investigations into discrimination and sexual assault claims are grinding to a halt. Federal funding and approvals for state schools are also getting delayed. The impact is huge, and it's really hitting home for a lot of people. But this isn't the first time states have gone to bat over this. On March 13th, just days before the executive order was signed, 20 states filed lawsuits to block the Department of Education closure. The plan was to eliminate half of the department's workforce, and as you can imagine, that didn't sit well with a lot of folks. And what about Congress? Well, GOP lawmakers have introduced legislation to eliminate the Department of Education, but so far it hasn't gotten the green light from Congress. So this executive order is kind of like an end run around Congress, and that's a big part of why it's so controversial. Alright, so what does all this mean for us? If the lawsuit succeeds, it could temporarily halt the dismantling of the Department of Education and keep those crucial services running. But if it fails, we could see a major shakeup in how education services are managed in this country. And let's be real, folks, that's going to impact millions of students and educators nationwide. So there you have it. Trump's executive order to dismantle the Department of Education is facing some serious pushback. The Coalition of State Attorneys General is fighting back, and this legal battle is far from over. Keep your eyes on this one, it's definitely going to be a game changer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this whole situation. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged. Catch you later.